When you are moving, you can make the change of address notification easily in our web service. This video shows you how it is done. Please make the notification well in advance so you will receive your mail at the right address from the moving date onwards. And when you also notify the local register office at the same time, you will receive access to the services of your home municipality right from the moving date. You can make the change of address notification using a computer, tablet, or smartphone. The service is found in the internet at www.changeaddress.fi. Start by logging into the service, either using Posti usernames, an ID card with chip, or online bank user IDs. After login, click the Change of Address Notification button. You can make the change of address notification at the same time for Posti and the local register office, or only either of these. First, select from the list the address from which you are moving, or type the address by clicking its button. Next, type your new street address and postal code into the fields set aside from them. If the service does not recognize the address you have entered, but you know that the address is correct, confirm the address or correct it by typing the desired address. If you want, you can submit the care-of name to Posti. If you accept mail in another person's address, an overseas address is entered in a different field. Then indicate the persons whom the change of address notification concerns. Your own details are shown in the mover list automatically. Do not type your details again. You can move the whole family with a single notification if you move from the same address to a new joint address. If you move to different addresses or from different addresses, each of you must make a separate notification. At the next phase, you can choose Posti's optional services. Additional information will open when you click a service. If the service is subject to a charge, you will see the price of the service in the right-hand edge. If you order services subject to a charge, you must pay for them in the online bank or using a credit card in connection with the order. Postal items will be delivered to the new address, starting from the moving date you have indicated. Next, continue to the local register offices section. Select whether your move is temporary or permanent. Your home municipality will change if you move permanently. From your home municipality, you will receive social and health services belonging to each resident. For instance, a temporary move can be a fixed-term living in another locality due to work or study that lasts more than 3 months. Do not notify a move to a holiday cottage to the local register office. Your domicile will not change if you move temporarily. Choose the start date of the moving, which is the moving date to be registered at the local register office. The mover's details are the same as the personal data you have given in an earlier phase. You can fill in the first names primarily used and occupations if you want. Also, enter other information for the local register office, municipality in Finland, and the basis of residence for statistical purposes. Enter your contact details so we can contact you in matters related to your moving where necessary. Also, enter possible additional information concerning moving that you wish to be taken into consideration when handling the move. This includes the reason for a temporary move. Then, all you have to do is to check and send the information. If you have to correct the information, use the previous and next buttons in the lower edge to navigate to the right place to correct the information. Do not use the browser buttons. When you give your email address, you will immediately receive a confirmation message to your email about Posti's notification. Also give your telephone number so that we can contact you when necessary if your move requires additional clarification. Accept the product terms of Posti's services if you have selected a service. Finally, send the notification by clicking the button. If you wish, you can download the information as a PDF file or print the page. To log out of the service, click the button in the upper corner. We wish you a smooth move.